Good morning. I'm so say the good even some 12 so say Badwam can see some ya bia me kase dot so yes fata salty and the chenu kufu na ye de bro wala natural mineral water can ho as your sponsors near den some no bro wala nso ni dot so nom de papa wala natural mineral water and of course Franco Trading Enterprise phone papa fie ni ho refrigerator TV home theater bobody bobra ho phone dey get mayo CCTV cameras, printers, the money it be of Franco Trading Enterprise. The sponsors non official so sa F my Sergio Manocho Bernard Paribu Tremi producers. Kedwana Kasani Erica Siedu Boyam Shasi FNF the UEFA Nations League yeah one bet drop it from our groups. Now one bet so Afra Costro and Enra now results they very interesting Germany. Now Biakas Germany be Gumna so yeah draw so more Holland could change draw on Bosnia, Hungary so Germany the year 1-1, Albania Tifia Ukraine body 2. Czech Republic bought Georgia by 2-1, Montenegro 3, Turkey 1, Wales 4, Iceland 1, Slovakia by Estonia, and Sweden and Sonia Azerbaijan we need to pa Malta and Andorra. Beat me for born to young one goal. Yes, they are there. One goal and to me. Now, apart from that, the AFCON qualifiers near the other 3 teams are back at 21 are qualified and when a kind of boom. Kenya and Namibia game near 0-0, Cameroon. Zimbabwe 2-1. Kevet Makwawe and Mauritania no Sansona Egypt ne Botswana Egypt fie want to me and share Botswana already 1-1 Cote d'Ivoire Bogumu 9 na Fishono Sierra Leone etifie ma Zambia ne be 2 Zambia qualified that so still on Sierra Leone ewie then of course Ethiopia DR Congo Ethiopia where they away now Tanzania Guinea by a goal South Africa 3 South Sudan 0 Congo Uganda won 1-0 and Mali winning 6-0 as Swatini and I'll just share on Guinea-Bissau, Mozambique, so they are not quite 3-1. Senegal tonight few winning 2-0 over Burundi. Now 24 team sets for the AFCON next year. Host nation Morocco, Burkina Faso, Cameroon, Algeria, DR Congo, Senegal, Egypt, Angola, Equatorial Guinea, Cote d'Ivoire, Gabon, Uganda, South Africa, Tunisia, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Zambia, Mali, Comoros, Sudan, Benin, Tanzania, Botswana, Mozambique. Okay, it's 24 teams, 16 craniaco, 24 and to me and Kobe. Ghana Black Stars on some night pins, so in case I don't understand. And some of us say, but Yakofa Black Stars have some band, my Mumra Prequende, the Executive Council of the Ghana Football Association, there, Quassetana, Ashe, the future of Adom.
Timu akotene pa ene Black Stars AFCON 2025 yentumi afa ni ankyerase bia o Morocco afa yotado se wotena anase woko Executive Council no ebesi nayi ejaguo mu chemu ye pa ne titire ene nkofo bia ede o to committee so mo na nhwe ne mpa coach na o medi Black Stars anima o mkofa otado baaye no o mo so nsam erebeto apono so na nya no nko a players ni bi yana nsen from Black Stars na omo twetwe omo ho no ye be canning meeting na se a omo be wie krakra 2025 March Black Stars sanso gina kono World Cup qualification no ahoboa no tesai omo kan sem we nyina ade abomu omo wie a omo kuche de aba montene so meto akoso ni otuado ayadwuma na fe niam bia hodo a ha Ghana fo no omo ka ho nsem na boa na Ghana ye Black Stars na sanso gina ne na so. Right, no, the Abecoso, the Executive Council meeting. That's now. You go so can was former Vice President of the Ghana Football Association, Georgia Free. Don't say anyone want to pass to Ado. Be seen there. Yankasi Apamono. A shocking.
Only one of the clauses in Otuado's contract. Now, no, it says Otuado no resign. Only the emissary room. Only the emissary room. I can state it on authority. Say it is in Otuado's contract. One of the clauses that can terminate the contract. AFCON one qualifier. Opamra outside me Miss it's in there.
So one qualify for AFCON. You better terminate the contract.
Yes, the FA has every right to terminate the contract. Also, know the Omonkan because the recruit and come up a candidate. It's in there. It's in the contract. Let the FA come out to say George Obua.
Okay, nte no ne the Georgia Free former vice president and also now pray say Yebeto Neswaba as president of the Ghana Football Association and AMFA T and who someone about the Yanko boxing more Michael Dekadi Nelson or a Ghanaian boxer me no ka say no Ojiremu India on the 30th of November. Now I want to share and say WBC Youth world title na okọ so betumi agia ma man no
30th November obiman so India eho bayire pa Ghana ni abrante abofra kuma ugina ne na so pa Michael Dicard Nelson ono na woko gina ya na mu a wakote yanim no entokwa kese bi eba so ewo India man mu a WBC Youth World Title no oni India ni abrante Ladinzanga edebe boso na samemne da no emu baye dininti abrante ofi Ghana Michael Dicard Nelson efiti na no eno sha ahosiesie ase a preparations yi emu aye dine pa odi wani kire Akotoku Academy ebiaya Michael Dicard Nelson waye ni training na empenifo di nyama nyina agu akwan mu ahwe se entokwa kase odi koboso wo India no bibibia be koso diama no na belt kase da so no waje edi Ghana ha.
Me and my team are trained very, very hard because we don't sleep. We wake up 3 in the midnight. We come back like 6. We are going to train again. So after 6, we will close like 9. 9 o'clock, when I go home, I'm going to rest small. About 4 o'clock, I'm back to the gym. So always busy on the training session. So this can improve me more to win this bet, because this fight I think is very, very tough fight. It's not in our country, it's another country. So I'm going to prove the world what I have to showcase them.
Elvis Robertson, a trainer at the Michael Dicard Nelson. Ono de abrante ya fanti tiemu esansu training ni kama pa. Na sa ken se ye baso wo India no. Ni trainer ne se n'ani abre no nim. Se nema ode a kire Michael no obedi kunim no ma Ghana nyina obia asre.
For me, I call this fight for God and country, because we are going out there to make Ghana and the world proud. It's been through the amateur ranks, it's been through the professional ranks here. I think this is going to be one of his best fight for everyone to watch. So I'm telling Ghanaians that we need just your prayers, just the prayers, and we're gonna make you proud.
Na papa odi ni sika hyemu wo hwe se nema nyina akoso edi ma Michael Dicard Nelson ono akra ne sanso ye ne manager Michael Tete owura Tete se na nije ese Michael Dicard Nelson okote Ghana.
The experience, dedication, the discipline about boxing I've instilled in him, and he has all the qualities to be a future great world champion. He's disciplined, he's determined, he's hard working, he got the skills, good defense and offense, and he also back with power. So we will bring the title to Ghana this year.
Right. And on it, yeah, Ebekoso hot, be the chair. Them raso. Yeah, Songo steak and no pay. Songo steak, my man, countryman Songo, Mr. Patrick Osajaman be joining me. I was Songo steak more now. Yeah, Mr. Ajaman Otaman cano pay. Yeah, more kwaba ba Songo steak so. Hello, Mr. Ajaman. Right. Wala natural mineral water can you want to pay in some bro wala natural mineral water in Sunabu no musupa wala natural mineral water Franco Trading Enterprise. I mean more number now natural go go and see something for yourself. 0246 422338 0246 422338 now 0555 939311 0555 939311 Franco for one number no. Now you call back to my man, countryman Songo. Mr. Jamate and Kaya Mwakwaba. Hello, fireman. Now make a Franco Trading Enterprise once a show on Pacho, Ukopiemo Play Store and App Store. Wait my download your app on near Matimiako Wano. The Pacho found a G movie and Tofun Quanchan. Babia phone oya sure say phone here papa. A Franco Trading Enterprise. And ye ja found Jim. It's a one some more website francotrading.com, francotrading.com. To me one website rene app no so crowd or ye penoma santel so more. You say Black Friday about Friday biano or to de Franco ho. Near to so that they are saying it is 40%. That's the amount Franco Trading Enterprise for papa fee in ho to share so sa family. Wala natural mineral water benum so a wala. Obenum so a wala natural mineral water. Wala de one bia wala na yesa no wasama no chane so me say okopie mo South America moto mo bomb World Cup qualifiers and then Uruguay ni Brazil bon 1-1. Yes, you know Federico Valverde beautiful goal and Brazil team omo come na koye 1-1 and so the unbeaten run between Brazil and Uruguay ni guso cause Brazil and internet firma Uruguay me chano top so ogina so ati gina so a sa twen draw home still unbeaten against Uruguay at home. Mr. Ajima, what's it? Yankai Mwakwa Basongo sticks when I pay.
Mitonka, also Timika.
Mr. Ajima.
Utimika, Mr. Mitonka.
Right, Mitonka. But you're not dinner, my
Ghana Force Blasters coach, you know. Yet minute in Yajuma. Odi over went me and qualify and call AFCON, yeah. African Cup, yeah. I mean, the FA should spare us. Say, a woman and appointing woman at the bar. Yes, but they should spare us, they say. I mean, they should get rid of Coach Wemai because Ghanaians have shown clear. Even journalists, so can, but more journalists, Ghanaians, fans, who must show clear. You understand? Say, coach, when you coach, you bet me in a so this is fair. I say, with me, every living coaching off the job, and I say, they'll give you the stuff. Or in any other way, because say coaching and I be so person resign. Or you not be so very resign, you to have to scout. For us, you have your own year. You understand? After say wono ya mo the chance to your national team to make caretaker no na omo bitimi appointed coach and our coach is among the various national teams in your blasters no say omo dey send your Ghana fusi pen no you deal with the situation of a coach ni say do wanna actually say you need confidence be our coach ni you bo World Cup qualifier you be sure say you bo World Cup qualifier na confidence be any or man yangi say coach you ya yangi to you win the coaching. I mean say a very incompetent coach and no crown pass support in the GDN national team that you to me any day and qualify for World Cup. So they should spare us this as football people. Now omu coach the feel but woman no there almost a very problem and a problem just a woman no problem and kasa almost no. We hope that the state, the president, the sports ministry or minor will deal with them, these so-called football people. Woman kasa will problem. Woman kasa no yenyana nkomu every president in kofu. Oma they every ho because 5 years we've seen nothing from them. Oma ye 5 years. It is a coach in this one resign because of who they say yes. Obia oye coach bia yaman adwuma ye bia no. Or because one reason because who is a bit my oh me who is a Ghana players were meet me they are also coming to me meet me share. That is how our trainer scouting who so with me if he say I mean when I quit I don't quit. I always make sure say meet me yes Obia no quit but the human who met me do one work so bit my at the name call. It is a 10 hack. Young Manchester coaching. Need to be baby so I show one share you. We stick together. 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 Manchester 40 women in there we stick together for the woman relegation. We stick together. We stick together. You understand? I will bet my player where you say where you good, where you good, where you selection. Or bet believing, hoping, say, will be to me and Manchester United results, but no results in the master. They have to sack him. So that is the same thing. I would to have if he said, we're incompetent, we're trainer scout, but when you say we as a nation like Ghana, we fear you war talented players, we can obey to me a coach. Yes, we understand that, but ultimately, what that's why I'm young. Me who the poor bit my catch him say coach we be better son. Oh, World Cup qualifier baby to us. Any blasters are here building. Yes, blasters for the future. Yes, blasters see being a good resource, you bit magic cup, not future, that's why bright. And your dear coach will be to mama bipa. And you waste of time, say you be keep coach way. And you waste of time, the earlier the better. See you be keep you to Adom, trainer scout. And you waste of time. Yes, coach there's one go, but yes, say FA for us so have 5 years in FA president, a performance here, but fail. Also, yes, one go. Anything that we are calling on the state, a buying president, any sports minister. To be on the football people, then football people, they should spare us this time around. Say, woman who said Ghana for say woman play coach, and I am play coach with trainer staff. I get declared who trainer staff. Or try to overtake you, man. So why assistant coaches? Another assistant coach, yes. Assistant coach, why assistant coach to Adom? Assistant coach, also why you things very assistant coach under say. I mean, that is not the issue here. Yet you see a better off the Dortmund. Now you see a bit Triesca, Ghana, bit Triesca, because he have a full free Dortmund. Dortmund on an Juma Ben now. You're a scouter, a trainer scout. That was your title. You're a scouter. Dortmund for woman change woman coaches are bare minimum club 3 times. Who as a trainer scout. I don't know, I'm for as head coach and as a manager to take on Dortmund. So who is a good coach? Who is a coach? Who is a good coach? Dortmund, minimum club, say 3 coaches. A change. That time now, now you trainer scout and now can you be see who's a way assistant coach of Dortmund. A main team, Yes, some of these journalists. I know Kasi Yampamo, Yensak, ye won't me a Jumano, or more can be because when a woman who said it, or man or dare declare say to be a trainer scout to them or Nyadi. It woman in as say, woman in I can be here because say, it may be a common, bois. A man and go for can say we are assistant coach of Dortmund, we are assistant coach, but a trainer scout. A trainer scout. I mean, what title are Dortmund? You need to share and no be a trainer scout. It's trainer scout now, but yes. So-called football people were looking at their interest, but not looking at Ghana interest. And woman pushy was to be a coach of blaster. And another declare you have no tactics. Only tactics, only how to call players and select players. Only how to, unite players in a professionalism will camp. You understand? Send you see 2 minutes call park, 2 minutes call park. Obia Teka Ghana Ghana say ball against Niger Accra Sports Stadium. Then Niger show no Teka. Now coach, what can you bench park center line? Ako so play a moon celebrity because of what Teka. At the end of the day, we say lose you match a 2-1. So that's only confident. Unye coach, Uye Biaje. Say Uye Biaje, Unye coach. You are very incompetent. Head, and then the GFE, and then the members. Otuado is very incompetent. The same as most of you are incompetent and not failing. But spare us this and get rid of Otuado for us. Because, yes, we 2% are buying president in the state, any sports ministry, as to step in, and was a year GFE. Because, Muninamu Kawana Makabum. And a blasters are basa or money football basa. Blasters are tough. And as it stands now, and as it stands now, yes. Otuado entimi qualify nko World Cup. Ni 2 matches I won 6 points no. Out of World Cup 9 points I won. I no wabom 2 matches enya 6 points no. Waka wo. Waka the coaching the coaching say waka because other countries in this time South African Cup of Conquer and me qualify in a group of Niger, Sudan, Angola. That is also Mujeja Homo. 80 say World Cup qualifying with Unia. No to Adu. And as we coach, I beg your pardon. I beg to differ. Mechanic crash the mobile things here qualify for World Cup. And you better say, oh, I didn't think the earlier the better now. Otuado do incompetent power in coaching. Ghana need PM, say Ghana need PM. You shouldn't be a player or a coach and I say we be out play football and some won't say coach Wanyadi. The national team is for all. And ne Emma, Mema, Emrewafo, Kokurafo, Chese Nkola. I'll be all your Ghana need PM or Shep Blasters. And then because of blasters or manimu I bastard because of blasters. They say people are worried about blasters in Naya because you're paying for the Masako far incompetent coach. Obia will say to be incompetent.
Right.
Every incompetent coach.
Okay, right.
Also, we living off the job.
Okay.
What they say, oh, the 1 p.m. no.
Sure.
And no pay the this year 1 p.m. every year.
Sure.
Now in 2 fire no some more. A coin piazza no. Also to I don't know. Utility human to walk. More fire.
Right.
Very incompetent.
Fantastic. Fantastic. And I have to so fire. So my man, Mr. Patrick Osageman, countryman Songo, na wale Songo Steaky Brain na no pay. Wala natural mineral water, Franco Trading Enterprise, the sponsors. Sergio Manucho, Bernard Paributri, we producers are. Yana wadi na nkasanka kijwana ho Erica Siri Bweri. Era pomudi on samba to aso wi ana de akaba. Koso hebedwom.